What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hello. Hi, my name's Alicia, for those of you who have not been here before. If you have been here before, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're doing a little bit of a different angle. We are in my kitchen, and I just got my first Wantable box delivered, so I'm super excited. They basically take you through this whole testing process to figure out your style or something that, like things you like to wear, things you don't like to wear, and then they design a box for you. And I'm pretty sure I approved all of these items. I'm interested to see what items that I actually want to keep, see which items actually fit, because one thing I will say is the denim, I'm not sure is going to fit my waist, and they only gave up to a certain size. Some of them were like 32-inch waist, and some of them were size 14 was like the max. And I'm kind of in that weird postpartum phase where I'm not sure what my sizing is. So we're gonna try this out, and we're gonna see if we like anything or if we're sending it all back. Before we get started, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you don't miss a video. And yeah, if you want daily updates, more frequent postings, please follow me on Instagram at LishiBG. Yeah, let's get started with the haul. Also, don't mind the fact that I still have a Christmas bow up. I just keep forgetting to take it down. So my kitchen is a mess. Apologies. I honestly don't know how any mother can keep their house together. Completely together. My house, I feel like, is never ready to entertain anybody, so that's just my reality now. Okay, so this is how everything came. It says styled for Alicia. Let's unbox. And you have 5 days to figure out what you want to keep, and then they sent, oh good, okay. So this is like super easy, super convenient. They sent a bag, a mailing bag where I can mail everything back. So the first item is this yellow striped shirt, which is very soft. It retails for $52. We'll see. I feel like this is the material. I mean, it's very soft, don't get me wrong. Like I do think it could be very cute, but I do feel, I feel like it's something maybe I could get at like Marshall's for not $52. Ooh, I love a good sweater. Okay, I feel like I might like this. I don't typically like crop top sweaters, but this feels very comfy. Oh, I cannot wait. We're gonna do a try on haul. It's nighttime right now if you can't tell. So I'll probably end up filming the try on portion of this later. So if it looks like it's 2 different days, it's because it is. Okay, so the next thing is a dress. How cute. It's a midi dress. This retails for, I can look it up in the thing. The sweater, by the way, was $69. The dress was $79. Here is this blue jacket, which I feel like I'm really gonna like as well. The sweater and that striped shirt, you guys can see. Probably should get these closer to the camera so you can read it. This one retails for $100, $99 to be exact. I don't know about these prices, you guys. Right now it's saying the total order is $480, which is not gonna happen. I'm not paying that. So the next thing I got is this leopard jacket. I may keep, I don't know. Oh, it's stretchy. It's stretchy, you guys. Oh, I might keep this. Oh no. What does this retail for? $108. Oh my gosh. I really like it though. But $100 on jacket, unless it's a winter coat, I don't spend $100 on jacket. Oh, you guys. This denim dress, are you kidding me? Like, this retails for $99. I feel like this could be really cute. I feel like me taking everything out of the box is not really showing you. Just wait, just keep watching, keep watching. There will be a try on haul, I promise. As long as everything fits. One thing I don't know for sure is gonna fit is these jeans. So, cause these are, the waist is a 32. It's a little bit of stretch in the hips. So maybe we'll see their high-rise flares and they retail for $89. So that is everything I got in my box. And I guess tomorrow I will film myself trying these on because I only have 5 days to ship them back. So yes, I will see you guys tomorrow so we can try these on. Hello, so it is a few days later and we are ready to try on all the items that I got because I have to ship these back within 5 days of receipt for the items that I don't want, so I need to try them on today. Of course, in case you haven't noticed, we got our hair done. Probably shouldn't have worn a black hoodie. Yes. Hello, she's giving boho braids. Yay. Okay, so let's get started with this try on haul. Okay, so first we have this yellow striped top, which all in all, I mean, it's very soft, very comfortable. I just feel like spending the amount of money that this costs isn't currently in my budget when I feel like I could get this item maybe at somewhere like TJ Maxx or Target, even though I'm not currently shopping at Target. But I do feel like you could get something similar-ish for cheaper, though I will say the quality of this item feels very high. So that is definitely something to take note of if you are interested in getting a shirt like this or getting this particular shirt. The quality is there for sure. I just think in terms of the patterns and what kinds of things I typically wear, I personally would rather spend money on something like bottoms or a dress versus a top like this. But the jeans are actually surprisingly pretty comfortable. I'm pretty happy about these. I was nervous that they weren't gonna fit, but they stretch really well. They're on my side. You can see there's not much room there, but honestly, I don't hate them or dislike them at all. They're actually pretty comfy. Now I do feel like if I sat down, like maybe pressing in a little bit, but all in all, the stretch, I feel pretty good about these. All right, let's try on a different top with these jeans. Okay, so here's the striped sweater I got. This is, I literally just said that I don't spend a lot of money on tops. Like most of my valued pieces are jackets or accessories or jeans. But this top, it's comfy, it's cute, especially for work. It is March, so I don't know how much longer I'll wear it, but it's something that feels like the quality is so good that it'll for sure make it into the next season, into the next fall and winter season. So I don't know, I might have to keep this one. 69, oh, I don't spend much on tops. Internally, I'm struggling, but this is very comfortable. Okay, next top. Okay, so this kind of top, it's a shacket, and this is where I typically would spend more money on something. This is super cute. I love this color. I love this color on my skin. Oh my gosh. Now that I have hair, y'all, I'm like out here like, I love this color. I will say, so I don't have a huge, like a long wingspan, but I feel like this is kind of short. I like sleeves to be a little bit longer, so if I don't keep this, this is probably why. But all in all, this is super comfy. Very soft. Everything, the material, everything with the quality of the material is very good, you guys. I will say, I know it's pricey, but the quality feels there. So that's important. Style-wise, I'm not sure that this is going to fit my style at the moment, but who knows? But again, you guys see, the color is beautiful. Love this. Okay, next outfit. Okay guys, so here's the denim dress, and I'm gonna tell you right now, comfortable, however, way too short for me. This is not, oh, pockets, oh my gosh, pockets. If you like short dresses, this can definitely be for you, but way too short for me. Not comfortable in it. Feel like I'm dropping a phone away from everything being out there. But comfort-wise, very comfortable. However, I can't show you the back because I could not. I can zip it up, but you know, I'm like obviously by myself. So anyways, we'll be returning this one. But if you are into mini dresses, short dresses, and you want a jean dress with pockets, because this is pretty cool. All in all, it's too short for me, but I actually really like the dress as a whole. Guys, I forgot I had this jacket. This is one of the first jean jackets that's not super snug on my arms. Like my arms they used to be more muscular, but they're larger and I feel like I'm usually like in these jackets, but this is super comfy. Okay, I'm probably keeping this jacket. I feel like, wasn't this jacket like $100? Ugh. But I love this jacket. I love the print. Okay, I'm probably keeping this jacket. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, last item. Okay, so the last item is gonna be this summer dress. It's so comfortable. Everything, you know what, you guys, everything in this collection was in this selection for me, very comfortable, very soft. I felt like there was a good amount of stretch with each of the items, which I was surprised about. And this is so pretty. I feel so summer, dainty, very cute. Yeah, I don't know. I'm torn about keeping this one. I do like this dress a lot. I feel like it's very flattering. I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think? What do you think about this dress? Is this a keep? By the time this video is posted, I'll have already kept it or given it back. But maybe if I give it back, I can request it again. I think I like it. Ooh, I think I like it. I think it's flattering. I just feel the money pouring out of my account. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Please let me know what items of the Wantables collection that I got that you guys think are definitely should keep. I'll tell you right now, I am pretty confident that I'm keeping the sweater and pretty confident that I'm keeping the leopard jacket. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, if you like this content, please be sure to give this video a thumb up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video, all right? I'll see you guys in the next one.